first slice for birthday girl Lily. For Pluto. Next we have for Minnie. And then last one for our alpha female, Gracie.
It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday.